guys! Welcome back to my channel! Hi Ben! Guess where we are going? We're going to Taiwan! Naalala nyo, kakauwi ko lang ng Pilipinas last March 14 and now is March 19. Alis na naman kami! So, it's our first, actually second time sa Taiwan, but nandun ako nung baby pa ako, so I don't know anything there. Guys, already, nakalimutan niya po yung jacket niya sa sasakyan. Oh my god! Okay, we're done with the immigration. Guys, super, wag kayong matakot sa immigration kasi hindi naman talaga nakakakaba talaga. As long as your purpose is correct, na magpunta lang kayo for vacation, gano'n. Kasi hindi ba kami hiningan ng any bank account, ganyan. Wala kaming gano'n. So, basta tanong lang kung ano work nyo and how long kayo mag-stay doon and all is okay.
So, I was asked again if I'm already working.
Mukha kasi siyang college student. So, ayun.
Like last time, sa papuntang Hong Kong, hindi tanong sa akin.
Yes. Guys, Taiwan, here we come. By the way, hindi ko pa na-explain to you guys that first we will be going to Kaohsiung. It is in the south part of Taiwan. And after that, after 2 days, saka kami mag-bullet train going to Taipei. So at least we will be discovering 2 cities in Taiwan, not just like Taipei, because of course everybody goes to Taipei, but why not try other city, right? So, and also there's one more reason, because mas mura yung ticket papunta doon. Isang ganda lang sa dito. Yung golden hour. Touchdown, Kaohsiung! Guys, hindi ko sure, pero bakit parang walang tao? Parang kami lang. And considered na it's just like 7:45 PM. And parang kami lang yung nag-arrive. Hindi siya busy airport. And ang liit lang niya, guys.
Walang mga nakapark na plane.
Yeah, so I feel like, what is this? Medyo weird siya for me. First time na nangyari to. First time nakita ko ng ganitong airport. Kasi usually all the airports are so busy. Okay, so guys, first thing na gagawin namin is i-claim namin ang aming pinurchase from Klook na SIM card. Valid for 5 days. Unlimited data na siya. Okay guys, lesson learned. Pag nag-ano kayo, book kayo sa Klook, sabi ko kanina na parang para hindi kayo ma-hassle. It's a prank pala. Kasi hanggang 8 PM lang pala yung claiming time and now is around 8 PM na talaga. So kailangan bumili ng bago. Oh my gosh. Walang tao. Tingnan mo naman. And to think that we are in MRT station. So walang tao dito. So dito tayo yung MRT ticketing. And then guys, oh my gosh, walang easy card dito. I mean, since we're here in Kaohsiung, kasi expected ko na like Hong Kong, pagka-arrive, may mga nagbibenta ng mga cards, ganon, similar, the octopus card. But dito kasi wala. So, kailangan namin mag-manual ticketing. Wala naman tao dito. So, sana may machine na pwede kami bumili nung card nila. And tomorrow morning, we will go and pass by 7-Eleven and we will buy easy card from there. So, don't make the same mistake that we did. You should, guys, book ahead the easy card. Para siyang beep card. So that you will have an easy access directly to the train station and not like the way we did. Kasi gusto ni Beng yung sa may 7-Eleven na parang may design daw. So, that's why hindi kami nag-order sa Klook. Otherwise, kung wala naman ganun, nasa Klook na kami nag-order. Hello po! Skipping the Hong Kong vibe. Yeah. But just make it like less crowded. Kasi wala talaga tao. Ang weird talaga. Piling ko nagboba kami ng midnight, but it's just 8 PM. Finally, after like 10 minutes sa paglalakad with our luggage, dito na rin namin yung Sky One Hotel. Here we go. Time to check in. Based on check-in nila guys, we are now going to 5th floor and then we availed the breakfast buffet. It's only $99. Taiwan dollar, so we like it.
So cheap.
Yeah, it's affordable.
And the breakfast looks great.
Here you go guys, this is the one. Hello. Guys, this is our room. It's so cute. Look at this. We found our first night market. We found this accidentally kasi dito kami dumaan nung after ng subway. So, ang laki niya guys, hanggang dulo. Confused siya kasi ang daming pwedeng piliin. So, good luck to us and let's do a food review after.
Sweet potato balls. Kung mapapakin mo lang siya.
Our first one is a sweet potato by Beng.
Parang karyoka.
The less sweet.
Na walang mga sugar.
So, do you like it?
Yeah. I like karaoke.
Let's try now. Karaoke Taiwanese version. Masarap talaga siya. I like it. 9 out of 10. We are in a local cuisine, pang noodle siya. Ito yung itsura niya, guys. Nandito lang siya inside ng, what you call? Night market. So, it's around $200. And I think it's reasonable price kasi ganun naman din siya sa Philippines. So, I hope masarap. So, you will be tasting this omelette oyster. Taste test. Sarap? Wow.
No, spicy.
Thank you.
Spicy.
No, not spicy. It's a beef soup daw. Guys, this is me bare face. Now we will have breakfast and this is a buffet here in the hotel. And guys, affordable siya kasi 99 Taiwan dollar lang siya and it's a buffet. So, marami ng choices. Marami kami nakita dito lang. Matagal namin din nakain. Like, for example, this one. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. It's a taro bun. Yung lolo ko lagi itong bibigay sa amin before. And then, papalaman na mo siya ng pork floss. It's so good. It's very authentic Chinese vibe. Tapos, meron tayong dumpling in the breakfast, which is okay. But let's try. This is our breakfast. Guys, good morning, and then here we are, day 2 here in Kaohsiung, and this is our hotel right here. It's called Sky One Hotel, and guys, I love this hotel. It's affordable. It's like around 1,400 per night lang siya, and then amenities is so nice. Meron na kaming breakfast earlier, and then also ang ganda rin ng room. Fit na siya for us. So ngayon punta kami sa SKP Park, something ganon, na para siyang amusement park dito. And mall na rin siya sa katabi niya. It's kinda cold. Medyo malamig siya, guys, pero kaya lang, nakashort ako. Tap. Lang aking beep card dito, easy card. It's Alice in Wonderland! Guys, wala talagang ang very peaceful ng town na to. Kasi as you can see, it's like, you know, ano lang siya, nature, ganyan, temple. So if you are finding some place sa Taiwan na like gusto nyo wala kayo sa business environment, then I think this is the perfect place for you. So right now we will be going to Dragon and Tiger Pagoda. It's like a temple, and magpipicture kami doon. Hey guys, so this is the Tiger and Dragon Pagoda. Look at this. It's really big in person, I swear. So we are here in another temple or like monument siya. And this is Confucius. Look at him. I feel like he's staring into my soul. Ganyan siya. Ang laki niya, guys, in person. Guys, we have this Taiwan, it's like a passport that we can have a stamp here in the train station. So we found this on TikTok, and thank you, Beng, for purchasing this on Shopee. And let's see your first stamp. How does it look like? Wow! Ano nakalagay? Kaohsiung. Ano nakalagay?
Kaohsiung District.
Wow! Nice. Guys, ito po kami sa SKM Park. And here in SKM Park, there's also a mini theme park inside the mall. So we got our tickets via Klook, and it's all day past already. And Beng's excited to do this. because it's like a mini, super mini Disneyland. So, and nobody is here. As you can see, guys, walang pila. So, worth it.
So, we're like very first in line.
So, ayun. Yun ang maganda. Oh, Kylie, go! You're doing amazing, sweetie! You're doing amazing! Look at how far you go! Hi! Beng is about to be I don't know, working in a construction. It's supposed to be for kids, but she wanted to try. So ayan, para siya nag-inspect nung ano niya, nung sasakyan niya. Kami sa thrift store. Ang social ng thrift store nila dito kasi para siyang department store. Look what I got. It's a dress, brown, and then this one is from H&M. Love it, guys. I think na 100 Taiwanese dollar lang each to. So I have 2 dresses. And 100 Taiwanese dollar lang. Guys, it's 5:45 a.m. and we are now going to ride the high-speed train here in Kaohsiung, going to Taipei. We are so ready for today's activity. It's a hectic activity because we will be having a whole day itinerary planned day. We will be going to we will be going to after our hotel, after we leave our luggage, we will be going to Taipei 101, Chiang Kai-shek Memorial, Taipei Zoo, and then in the night we will be going to either Shilin Market or Ximending. So, are you ready, Beng? I'm ready. Guys, we are here in Hogwarts Express, waiting for our train. It's at 7:55 a.m. and right now, sobrang kami maaga, 1 hour ahead, dito na kami kasi just to make sure, ganon. Guys, meron kasi kami binili sa Klook na meron voucher ng Starbucks. And then, we're about here to claim earlier, pero sabi nila kailangan daw is cash. And wala kaming cash. Kasi wala dito money changer and limited lang yung papalit namin before. So, ngayon, up in the front, kailangan daw nila ng cash. So, nag-help kami sa ATM, nag-withdraw ko. But guys, for me, hindi siya recommendable kasi meron siyang charge. So, this is the high-speed train here in Taiwan. Here we are. We're going to Hogwarts. We are here in the Hogwarts Express. Right, here we are in Taipei. We managed to be here, pero naligaw kami sa loob ng train station. So, maglalakad na lang kayo papunta doon sa hotel namin. It's a 16 minutes walk from the HSR station. So, ngayon maglalakad na namin 16 minutes.
There's a lot of people here now.
Ngayon marami ng tao, guys. Sobrang difference yan sa Kaohsiung. So, let's see kung ano may encounter natin today. We have a very strict schedule. So, malapit na kami sa hotel. And iwan lang namin yung bag kasi I think we're not yet allowed to check in. I think so. So, let's see. And then after that, we will go na alis na kami agad to do our full day itinerary here in Taipei.
This is our bed.
Our first lunch here. Kawawa naman kami.
We're in the sidewalk. There's like a bus stop there.
Kasi guys, 11 AM pa yung check-in. And
time check.
nantay mo namin na ma-check-in namin yung bagahe. Kumain muna kami.
3 minutes na lang.
Try the 7-Eleven soup dumpling, aka Shaolin Bao. Let's try. Eh, meron na rin pala siyang ano. Sana hindi siya mabutas from here. For just 49 MTD, masarap ko siya guys. Let's try. Hey guys, welcome to our room here in Taipei. As you can see, double bed siya, and it's so cute. I always want this as like when I was a kid. And look at this, there's just stairs. Tapos yung area dito to hang our clothes. And this is very aesthetic. Pwede ko mag-emote dito habang nakatingin ka sa labas. Pwede ko mag-emote. And then also, may TV na rin. And look at the bathroom. Malaki na rin siya guys. Wait, asan yung ilaw? Okay, ito bathroom. Malaki na rin siya. Guys, we booked this in Agoda and nasa, naka-promo siya, saka fully booked siya. But I really like this one. Nakita niyo naman, ang init today. Hindi siya sobrang init, pero like cool yung air, ano niya. Pero yung suites namin pang winter siya, tapos naka-ano pa ako, naka-stockings pa ako. So, this is the entrance, and that is the memorial. Look at this. We are now heading towards the memorial. And ang haba ng lakarin. Ang haba ng lakarin, guys. Like, parang nasa half pa lang kami. Sabi, in-expect na ganito pala siya kalaki. And here is like concert hall. Magkabilaan siya. Ayan. Pero ang laki rin niya. Para siya nasa movie, sa China movie, na mga emperors nakatira sa mga ganyang places. So, traveling through back in time. Ganoon ang peg dito. So, we are done here. Mag-picture taking sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. We're not able to go inside kasi ang layo na niya. Ngayon, pupunta kami sa Taipei Zoo. And after that, the last stop will be the Taipei 101. Kasi hinhabol namin yung oras ng closing ng Taipei Zoo, which is at 5 PM. So, we have to be there and enjoy at least for 2 hours. We got our ticket. It's only 100 Taiwanese dollar. Sa Klook, medyo mura siya ng $3 lang. Parang ganyan yung difference. But, kumuha lang kami sa mga machine doon and super dali lang. So, it's 100 each. Ayan siya. Ang milk tea namin, meron siyang tapos napastog. It's so cute! Gosh guys, this is a very rare rhinoceros behind me. Tapos kanina nakakita ko ng lion with the lioness. And nakakita rin ako ng camel. And nakakita rin ako ng kangaroo. And what else? Parang first time ko makita yun guys. Panda especially. So I feel like this Taipei Zoo, it's so educational. Madami siya makikita guys here. The thing is just, sobrang laki ng zoo na to. Kulang ang 2 hours mo dito. Makakapagod. Sobrang laki niya guys. I'm not exaggerating this. Malaki talaga siya. And it's only 100 yung entrance fee. So I think it's sulit siya. Most of the animals lang, sometimes hindi mo siya makikita kasi tulog sila or nakatago, parang ganon. But the rarest animal, like you don't need to go to Australia just to see kangaroo. You don't need to go to China just to see panda. You don't need to go to Africa para makita ng rhinoceros. Parang ganon. So, worth it ang pumuntahan ng Taipei Zoo. Okay, time check, almost 5 PM. Sana paglabas namin dito, may araw pa para makita namin Taipei 101. Super hectic! Taipei 101! Have a life crisis. Oh my gosh, we have a problem. Kasi wala kaming cash and walang money changer dito guys. Walang nag-accept ng Philippine peso. So, ang nag-accept lang ng Philippine peso is the airport. So, we have to go to the airport para lang mag-money change ng peso Taiwan dollar. Oh my God. Because pag card lang yung ginagamit namin, pupunta kami night market and they don't accept card there. So, kailangan namin ng cash. And kailangan pumunta na airport, ang layo. Oh my God. Mag-alas 6 na ng gabi. Hindi pa kami kumakain. Meron kami Mr. Donut dito. Hindi namin siya makain. Ayun doon. Ganito dito kami sa airport. Nagpapalit kami. First time, nakatanggap ng Philippine peso. Oh my God. Pwede na kami kumain, pwede na kami mag-CR, pwede na kami mag-relax. Fine guys, lesson learned. If you are carrying Philippine peso, much better. If you want to withdraw here, but there's $200 na patong.
I think it depends on your bank.
Yeah. But sa video kasi 200. And then if you want, just really change in the airport, not in the city. I'm telling you. The Shimening. We made it, guys.
Finally.
Ay, pagod na kami. Pero sige, laban lang. Okay, we bought our souvenirs. Dahil po pa sa lubong ni Ben. This is all of the souvenirs that we have. Okay, we are done for the day. Oh my gosh. Here you go, guys. Pabili na kami ng souvenir. And now it's time for us to rest. Pabalik na kami ng hotel because it's a very long day. Tomorrow meron pa kaming tour. Whole day tour din yun. So, pagod na kami, guys. But this is it. This is Shimening. Hey guys, good morning. Going to the tour. Wherein makita namin yung tatlong city. Yung Yeoyu, Shifen, and Jufen. I think that one. So, nagbook kami ng tour sa Klook, which is more convenient for us. Now, time check is 7 AM. Pupunta na kami sa MRT station. Okay, ang daming tao dito, guys. Lahat to kasama sa tour. Okay, this is our bus. Pasok po kami sa Yeoyu Geopark. There we go. Madami kami sa tour today. Guys, here we are in the Yeoyu Geological Park. Here you go. You can see this in National Geographic. Naka-form siya ng ganyan. So, medyo malamig siya even though there's a sun right now. Malamig din siya because of the air. So, as we are here in the sea. Po namin dun sa likod na yun are mushrooms. I'm sorry, pero mukha kasi yung mushrooms. Cute ko. Cute princess. Sila dito. Sabihin nila sa amin masarap-masarap pag pupunta yun. So guys, they know if you're Filipino, sabihin nila masarap. Maengganyo ka na bumili sa kanila. But everything is, ano siya, I really highly suggest if you haven't tried pork floss, you must buy it here. Kasi masarap talaga siya. Pinapalaman namin siya or pwede mo kainin papakil lang, but it's really good. Pork floss. Top on our day tour is the Shifen Waterfall. Just woke up. Ay, malaki nakalagay na Oreo din. Okay, next stop is the Lantern. So, 5 minutes away lang siya from the waterfall. And naglalakad lang kami papunta doon. This is where everybody tries to fly their lanterns. Everybody's here hoping for their wishes to come true. Here in the Jufen. And super crowded ang tao. Ang daming shop dito. Gusto mo rin kumain. There's a lot of food stall here. And souvenirs, everything here. Parang isa siyang malaking night market. Everything is here, guys. You can see. Ito na yung famous na pinupuntahan dito. Nakita namin siya. Ayan siya. It's a tea house actually. So, sa gabi maganda siya kasi yung mga red lantern, may ilaw. So, ayan siya. That's the concept. Bakit sila kumuha kayo ng free taste? Yeah, sayang. Cranberry. May tao. I'm eating local Taiwanese dessert. Hindi nyo makita sa loob, but parang meron siyang mga mochi sa loob and munggo. And super tamis na, masarap. Tapos si Beng dito, kumukuha lang ng mga free taste. Beng, kunin mo na yan. O diba, sabi sa inyo. Mabuhay ka sa free. Ayun, meron pa isa. For the free taste si Beng. Yan po ang kanya. O diba? Yan po kanyang principal. Nakita ko sa kanya. Guys, we are done with our day trip. Medyo traffic kami today. This is our last day here in Taiwan, Taipei. Now, we decided to visit Carrefour to find something para i-uwi namin. So, ayan siya guys. This is Carrefour, open for 24 hours. Guys, dito kami sa airport and a lot of things has happened today. By the way, sumakay kami ng express. Uy! Kosa si Rena. Hello! So, sumakay kami ng express train. Coming here, it's only 40 minutes and 160 NTD siya. And then, nagkaroon pa kami ng aberya dun sa may mga luggage namin. Kasi yung hand carry ni Beng is like 9 kg, which is not allowed. So, nilipat pa namin siya sa check-in luggage. So, ang dami nangyari today. So, right now, punta na kami sa boarding gate. The boarding gate, are you sad we're leaving Taiwan? So, we totally... In conclusion, we enjoyed our stay in Taiwan, especially the food. If you wanted to try Taiwanese local cuisine or Chinese cuisine, this is the very best place for you. Convenient siya. All throughout, we never ride a taxi. Nag-subway lang kami. And makakarating ka doon sa gusto mong puntahan in just one card, in just in a metro rail. Ganun lang siya ka-convenient, guys. So I suggest that you will visit Taiwan very soon, and that's it. I'll see you in my next travel. Bye!